Hello everyone, my name is Edwin Naranjo Sierra. I'm the VPX of the company. After a very excited and busy week at the PDAC, I came down directly to the project, working together with the team. I'm in the core shack area, drinking one of the best coffee in the world. Welcome to this short explain video regarding about the latest drill result that we just released to the market.
Before we dive into the details about the results of hole 56 and hole 57, this is a plan view showing the location of the Mocoa porphyry deposit and 9 different targets that we have surrounding the project. And when I say target, it's mostly based on the results of mapping, geochem, and geophysics. So we all know that we have in this red ellipsoid, we have 1.1 billion ton high-grade porphyry near surface. Is mostly an unicorn within the market, and the location of hole 57 and the location of hole 56. So hole 57, it is an infill hole, a very important hole, a very important infill hole for us. And hole 56, it is an expansion hole drilled at the edges or the margin, the south edge of the MRE footprint towards the La Estrella target. Now diving into the results of hole 56, we are seeing a cross section along the hole 56. We can see, actually this is the grade distribution within the MRE block model, so it's in the back. So you can see this beautiful high grade area right here close to the surface. So this hole just hit 386 meters, grading 0.49 copper equivalent percent. So it is very important to understand that most of the edges, this area right here, most of the edges of the south edge of the MRE footprint is mostly influenced by shallower and vertical holes drilled in the past, like hole 12 and 10. So we bring all our new knowledge on grade distribution, and we plan and drill hole 56 below this area. And as you can see, we hit grades in an area that is currently modeled as a waste. So basically we're proving the expansion of the system and potentially adding more resources to the project. So as I mentioned before, hole 56, it was all about resource expansion, so we hit grades in area of waste areas. So now let's move on to the hole 57, which is mostly about validation. So this is a cross section along the hole. You can see on the back the grade distribution within the block model for the project. We drilled this hole as an infill hole, serving as the first, actually it is the first mother hole in the history of the project. So a couple of weeks ago we announced to the market that we're going to bring directional holes to the project. So this is the first mother hole drilled in the history of Mocoa. So now we have the ability of doing daughter holes using the same hole. So it's going to be more cost effective, and we're going to save meter of drilling because you don't have to drill all this area just to get into different targets. So it was a very important hole for us. We hit 476 meters, grading 0.43, which is mostly validation, which is very important thing in the PA level evaluation for the project. So this is a very exciting year for us at Mocoa. 2026 will be the most aggressive exploration program in the history of the project. So stay tuned. Keep in touch and discover with us the building of a copper giant.